Hello, this is Mr. Hupp, and I want to walk you through making a custom a custom drawing template. That's what we're going to do. The default templates in OnShape are needlessly complicated for what we are doing. So we're going to make a simplified version of a drawing template. Everybody needs to do this, so you have your own. And this is how you do it. So you're going to go down here to the plus and you're going to choose plus. You're going to create a drawing. It's going to come up with the templates from OnShape generally like this. These are not the ones we want to use. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on custom template over here. And we want to make sure we choose ANSI. It's English. It is going to be a size A, which is very close to a printer size page, so that's going to work out very well for us. Let's use inches as our default unit. Our period is going to be 12.34, not commas, and we're going to use the third angle projection. You can see here it shows the third angle projection. Then over here we want to include the border. Let's make the horizontal zones 4 and the vertical zones 4. Start the zones at the bottom right, and where it says title block, we want to choose do not include. The title block that it provides is needlessly complicated, so we're going to generate our own. So make sure you have these settings and you click OK. Alright, it's going to pop up with some stuff as though it's assuming you're ready to put parts and stuff in there. We're not ready for that, so we're going to close this, and we're going to close this. And then we are going to... Okay, I got confused a little bit because my toolbar is incomplete, and I didn't see the search tools here. What we're going to do is we're going to close this browser over here. We don't need it for the moment, and that expands this toolbar. What we need is this button that says table. So we're going to click on table, and we're going to tell it that it needs 2 rows and we need 3 columns. And then we're going to hit enter on that, click out here somewhere. Let's make the fixed corner in the bottom left. Hit the check mark. Now we need to go move it around a little bit. So I'm going to click on this bottom left, and I'm going to drag it until it connects to this bottom corner. I'm going to drag it all the way across until it connects to this side. So we want to line it up with the border like that. Okay. First thing we're going to do is put in some text. Well, now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to fill in these boxes down here. Let's do this. Uppercase letters, name, colon, space, and then we're going to choose this drop down that says drawing drawn by, and it's going to put your name. It should be uppercase letters. Next box, we're going to double click in this one. We're going to type the word date in uppercase letters, colon and a space, and then we're going to choose this right here, drawing date drawn. So all of this is going to be driven from when you make the drawing, not the parts. Inventor works a little bit differently. In this box, we're going to type in the word drawing, colon, and we're going to use from this drop down drawing name. Okay, and that is coming from this name right here. So if I rename this drawing to example, spelled properly perhaps, okay, it updates that, so you can see where that name is coming from. This one, let's just type in Heritage High School. And right here, we're going to do class period. And since I don't have a good way to do this right now, we're just going to type in your class period. So if you're in 6th period, put 6. If you're in 7th period, put 7. Make sure all the letters are in uppercase. And then this one is going to be a little bit different. We're going to put title, and right here we're going to use the drop down for name on the part. So it's going to put some dashes in there for now. Okay, so when you start a drawing using this template, it's going to get your name and stick it there. It's going to put the date when you started the drawing. It's going to put the name of the drawing that you put in OnShape. And then when you place a part here, it's going to grab that information and put here as title. And then right here is just constant text. And then right here is class period. So what we want to do right now is, this is how we want it to look. We're going to right click on this and choose export. And we're going to call this drawing, or let's do custom. Let's see, custom underscore A underscore and your last name. So this is telling us it's a custom A template. And then we need to make sure it says DWT, which is a drawing template, not a DWF. It needs to be DWT, drawing template. Choose export. And it's going to pop up something that says it's been exported. And you can save that. That's fine. But when you go to drawings over here now, you should be able to choose create drawing and choose created by me, and you should see custom A Huff. This is the name of the template. So, and you can see other templates I've done. So what that lets you do is, once you do this once, you can keep using this over and over. So this is the one we'll use for now for our basic drawings. Click O. Okay, I'm going to cancel that. So we have this template. To place a part in here, let's just do a basic placement. We're going to insert a view, and we should be able to open this and choose the parts from this. So I'm going to choose this plain part, and I'm going to place this view. This is the front, so we're going to do the front at the bottom left. And then it's going to guess that we're doing projections next, so I can click where I want those projections. So I'm going to click the front to the top, front, and right. We're going to do one more for isometric. Then we're going to escape a couple of times to get out of the projected view. And I'm going to right click on this and click show shaded view. That is how to make a custom drawing template.